Paris Defense Attaché Air Commodore Team Bottom said. It was great to see French Mirage planes picking up fuel from RAF Voyager yesterday as they flew from France to a French airbase in Africa. This mission clearly demonstrates the close Franco-British relationship and our ability to work together to rapidly project air power around the world. A demonstration to prove the capability of the Combined Expeditionary Force Air Component, CJEF, Air. The CJEF is a Franco-British military force created in 2010, following the signing of the Lancaster House Treaties. The Voyager is the RAF's only AAR tanker and also operates as a strategic air transport. It features 2 under-wing pods for fast jet refueling. By doing so, we have improved our technique and validated our procedures to ensure we are ready to act as part of the Joint Expeditionary Force. Tankers transferred 90,000 liters of fuel to support the French mission to North Africa. The jets traveled 4,000 miles to Northeast Africa to take part in Exercise Shaheen. The mission involved 2 Royal Air Force, RAF, A330 Voyager tankers and 4 Armée de l'Air Mirage 2000 fighter jets. The Voyager tanker from RAF Brize Norton in Oxfordshire escorted and provided air-to-air refueling, AAR, to fighter jets bound for Djibouti, Africa. In April, Voyager and RAF crew took part in a multinational refueling exercise at the Eindhoven Air Base in the Netherlands. Fuel unloaded during AAR is drawn from the standard wing and fuselage tanks, leaving the cabin free for 291 personnel and storage space available for transport. As a tanker, capabilities include the ability to operate a tow line, where the Voyager orbits around a designated area waiting for a receiver, or on a trail, where it flies a number of fast jets, refueling them over long distances, while taking responsibility for fuel and formation navigation. Alternatively, it can operate as a passenger aircraft in the same way as a civilian aircraft, but deliver personnel safely to the theater thanks to its suite of defense aids. The Voyager also offers ample capacity for the movement of pallets and/or bulk cargo in the undercarriage of the aircraft. Versatile aeromedical configurations, including the ability to carry up to 40 stretchers and 3 critical care patients are available, as are simple VIP passengers. Despite being spread across the globe, Voyager remains home-based in Brize Norton. 1 aircraft is always available in the Falkland Islands, primarily to support Typhoon QRA jets, but also available for Hercules. Other types operate regular air bridges to and from the Falklands. Voyager made a major contribution to Operation Shader, dropping fuel to RAF F-35s and Typhoons, and various coalition jets, including the U.S. Marine Corps Harrier and F.A-18 Hornet.